viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. So today, on the request of all my viewers, I'm going to teach you how to make pineapple halwa, the famous Kashmiri pineapple sweet. Let's get started. I have around 2 pineapples cut into chunks. These are the cubes. Now I'm going to grind this coarsely without adding any water. So this is my coarsely ground pineapple. Now let's do the cooking part. So I have kept a wok on medium flame, and now I'm going to add the pineapple. Pineapple has many nutritional facts. That is, it is loaded with nutrients and it is low at calories too. It is loaded with healthy antioxidants. And also consuming this reduces the risk of cancer. It also boosts immunity, and it eases the arthritis as well. So it's very good. So now I'm going to cook this, and I'm going to cook this until all the water is drained. As pineapple releases water, it has water in it, so it has to drain completely. So it might take around 15 minutes. So the pineapple has almost reduced to half of its quantity. The water has drained almost. And at this point, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar, you can add it according to your taste. So let's stir this. So let's cook this until the sugar is dissolved completely. Be very careful while cooking this, as it splashes. So now I'm going to add around 250 grams of mawa, that is solidified milk. So I'm going to cook this until the mawa blends completely with the pineapple. So this part is completely done. Now I'm going to turn off the stove. This mawa has blended very well. So our pineapple is ready. Now I'm going to leave this to cool. So here I have around 300 grams of sponge cake, the regular sponge cake. Now we need to just crumble this. So this is done. I finished crumbling it. So now I've kept a pan on a stove, and now I'm going to add around 3 tablespoons of clarified butter. I have kept this on low flame, and now I'm going to add around 3 tablespoons of almond. I have just slit them into 2 pieces. Then 3 tablespoons of golden raisins and 3 tablespoons of cashews. I'm going to add this. I'm just going to fry them lightly until slightly it changes its color. So this is done. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. This is the jelly which I made it at home. If you want to know the recipe of how to make jelly at home, write it in the comments below. So I made strawberry jelly, and I also made lemon jelly. If you have the ready-made ones, you can also take it. I need this 1 cup and this 1 cup. So now I'm going to cut the jelly into small cubes. And now in this pineapple mixture, I'm going to just add the cake. And now I'm going to mix this well. This is a very simple recipe, yet it's very delicious. It's a wedding style pineapple halwa, very popularly known as Kashmiri halwa, pineapple halwa. I made this on the request of my viewers. So this is done. Now let's put this into a serving plate. So here I have transferred this into a serving plate. So the jelly is ready. Now I'm going to add the jelly on top of this. So at this point you can also add some fruits if you like. You can add grapes, lychees, chiku, or apple. You can just add 2 tablespoons of each, finely chopped. But since I don't have, I'm not going to add this. I'm going to just keep it as it is. And along with this, I'm going to add some tutti frutti. This is optional. If you have tutti frutti, you can also go with it. I'm going to add around 3 tablespoons of tutti frutti. Now on top of this, I'm going to add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. And lastly, add the fried dry fruits. So presenting you the pineapple dessert. So this is our final pineapple halwa. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do share it with your friends and family. And do continue to watch Gourmet's Delight by Faiza.